Hi everyone! So today, I tried MrBeast Burger for the first time and will be giving a review in this video. I went to American Dream Mall in New Jersey and this is MrBeast's first ever physical restaurant. I'll be giving a review of the burgers, fries, service, and ambiance. Watch until the end and I'll reveal my favorite MrBeast Burger Sandwich. First up, ambiance. MrBeast Burger is a large fast food restaurant at American Dream Mall. There are lots of seating. It's a pretty popular fast food and there's always a long line. They even have overflow tables out in the hallway. If you don't find a table, you can always walk to the food court or find a spot in one of the mall seating areas. There's a separate MrBeast merch store. Unfortunately, the MrBeast t-shirts and sweatshirts are kind of expensive. Service. MrBeast Burger is a fast food restaurant. You line up to place your order at the counter. Then you'll be given a number and a server will bring your food to your table. If you don't have a table, you can stand by the kitchen door and ask the server to hand you the tray of food. That's what I did because it was pretty packed the day I went. The food. The menu for MrBeast Burger is pretty straightforward. There are burgers, grilled cheese, chicken sandwiches, impossible burgers, fries, and desserts. The burgers and sandwiches are around $10 and you can upgrade to a combo for $6 more and you'll get fries and a drink. The drinks are self-serve with free refills. There's a nice big Coca-Cola soda machine. But just know there could be a long line just to get drinks when they're busy. I ordered 3 sandwiches. I got the Beast Style Burger, which I upgraded and made into a combo. Then I got the Carl's Deluxe, and finally, I got a Nashville Hot Chicken Tender Sandwich. First, the Beast Style Burger. This is a classic cheeseburger with pickles, onion, mayo, ketchup, and mustard. I like that the burger patties are thin and crispy. They also toasted the bun, which is nice. The sauce is tasty and makes me want to eat more. Next is the Carl's Deluxe. This is a burger with a beef patty, cheese, and caramelized onions. The bun is an inverted burger bun. It's toasted. My first impression is there seemed to be a lack of sauce in the Carl's Deluxe. You have to put your own ketchup and condiments to make it tasty. Otherwise, it's a bit bland. Finally, the Nashville Hot Chicken Tender Sandwich. It's a large piece of spicy fried chicken with a burger bun. There's mayo, ketchup, pickles, and lettuce. It's a pretty tasty chicken sandwich, a little spicy but not that spicy. My only complaint is it's too thick and each bite is a mouthful, but maybe because I was comparing it to the thin burger patties. Now let's talk about the fries. I got the Beast Style fries, which are crinkle fries topped with cheese, ketchup, pickles, mayo, and caramelized onions. I love the fries. It's fried well, very crispy, and it's really tasty with all the toppings. Just know you have to eat this with a fork. As promised, I'll reveal my favorite. My favorite is Beast Style Burger. It's tasty and makes me want to eat more of it with every bite. I also love the Beast Style fries. I'm definitely ordering the Beast Style Burger combo next time I go, so I can get both Beast Style Burger and Beast Style fries. My least favorite is the Carl's Deluxe. The caramelized onions sounded really promising, but unfortunately, the lack of flavor and condiments really got to me. Maybe next time if I order it, I will make sure to add condiments to the burger. So will I go back to MrBeast Burger again? Yes! The Beast Style Burger and fries are pretty good, and I like the free soda refills. I hope you enjoyed my review of MrBeast Burger. Please like and subscribe for more food videos like this. Thanks for watching!